His Majesty the King Anantamahidon once remarked, "Never overlook the issue of the country's education and teacher training," to Professor Mom Luang Pin Malakul, the Education Ministry's Permanent Secretary at that time. Not long after, in response to His Majesty the King's remark, the Higher Teacher Training School was founded by Professor Mom Luang Pin Malakul at Prasamid Road on the 28th of April 1949, with Luang Sarasas Putti as the director. The school later became the College of Education, with Professor Dr. Sarod Buasri as the Dean of the College. Professor Buasri established the foundations of an educational framework based on the college's philosophy, which is, education is growth, with the college's emblem of the exponential function of y equals e in the power of x. On the 29th of June 1974, the College of Education was granted the status of a comprehensive university, with Professor Dr. Sutjai Lausuntorn as the president of the university. In 1981, Her Royal Highness Princess Maha Chakri Sirintorn entered the Doctor of Philosophy program in Development Education, which was of great significance to the university and its community. Since then, Srinagarindwarot University has firmly and continuously held on to His Majesty the King Anantamahidon's previous remark with regards to not leaving the country's education behind. Srinagarindwarot University insists on being the university of philosophers and ascetics, as well as the intellectual leader in delivering the best services to community and society. Presently, Srinagarindwarot University has been developed and committed to being an ideal comprehensive university, consisting of Faculty of Education, Faculty of Humanities, Faculty of Physical Education, Faculty of Social Science, Faculty of Science, Faculty of Fine Arts, Faculty of Medicine, Faculty of Nursing, Faculty of Dentistry, Faculty of Pharmacy, Faculty of Health Science, Faculty of Engineering, Faculty of Agricultural Product Innovation and Technology, Faculty of Environmental Culture and Ecotourism, Graduate School, International College for Sustainability Studies, College of Social Communication Innovation, College of Potivichalai, School of Economics and Public Policy, Educational and Psychological Test Bureau, Central Library, Computer Center, Educational Media and Technology Center, Innovative Learning Center, Office of the President, Behavioral Science Research Institute, Institute of Culture and Arts, Research and Development Institute for Special Education, Strategic Wisdom and Research Institute, Educational Research Development and Demonstration Institute, Science Education Center, and many more academic and administrative units. Srinagarn Wirot University has been widely developed in both physical and academic settings, resulting in several newly established units and mega projects at Srinagarn Wirot University, Prasamit, as well as Punya Nantak Piku Medical Center and its surrounding community on the Thai border. Srinagarn Wirot University, which has been located deep in Soy Prasamit for more than 60 years, has now opened its doors to the wider community as a splendid and magnificent metropolitan university. This is owing to the construction of new buildings and underground parking space on Asok Montri Road. Today, Srinagarn Wirot University has successfully continued to develop and commit itself to following the pioneers' intention. Through the application of the philosophy, education is growth. Therefore, the new generation can coexist with society, community, nature and environment, both intellectually and peacefully.